Yo, what's good guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna making a guitar inspired Afro beat, and I'm gonna be drawing inspiration from Rema's Charm song. So that song has some nice guitar melodies, and I'm gonna show you guys how you could create such kind of beat. So without wasting time guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. I'm just gonna drag in the vocal, and I've used Audimi to convert it so we don't get the copyright strike, So I'm just gonna quickly just drag in the vocals, and I think he did a nice job with the conversion. So I'm just gonna drag it in here, and let's just listen to the vocal on its own.
I'm here waiting to water you. Rainbody made that all time, yeah.
Alright, so the tempo is 96. So quickly I'm just gonna drag the tempo to 96 BPM, which is the tempo of the original song. And yeah, this is an old song, but you can definitely get something from this also. And I'm gonna leave the link to this FLP, but you have to be a member of my Patreon channel. So the link to join the Patreon is also gonna be there, and there you get to get all the FLPs we use on our tutorial videos, and also some nice stuff also, like the pop plate reverb, the conga bass is gonna be available in the Patreon channel. So I'm just gonna send this to my mixer and just use my EQ quickly. Just use my EQ to cut it.
I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I no feed.
Then just use my pop plate to add some nice, some nice reverb
I
to
get the
it.
money pass your papa. With you one way I no feed.
But I'm just gonna also use virtual mix rack high end to it. So I'm just gonna let's just add some air. Sounding really nice, just adding some nice air.
I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I no feed do for him. Why you want the boogan one?
Yeah, nice. So I'm just gonna bring down the vocal a little bit.
I get the
So we
money
can start.
pass
The song started with this nice guitar. Shout out to London. He did an amazing job on that beat. Let's try to use flex. Let me try to use flex. If flex doesn't sound the way I want it, I'm just gonna swap it with one of Contact libraries. So let's go over to the guitar, essential guitars, and let's see. Let me use this and see. So we're gonna just create our first pattern and call this guitar. We're gonna be on the key of G. We're gonna be on the key of D. So I'm just gonna put that here. And let me just loop this section over and turn on our metronome. So we're gonna be on the key of G. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to play. It has a lot of delays. So let me just bring down the delay mix a little bit from the guitar. Let's go down an octave. So this is what the guitar basically sounds like. Let me bring down the velocity. Let's see. Yeah, so this is basically what he played on the guitar, but this guitar is not really giving me the vibe. Let me just increase these notes. Let me extend this last note a little bit. Yeah, so we can have. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this. Let me just send this over to my mixer, and there's this nice effect that's on the guitar. So I'm just gonna drag in, bring in guitar rig. Guitar rig is gonna actually give me something close to, yeah, and I'm gonna be using this Atmos rotator. I'm just gonna turn off the hot solo. Yeah, then bring down the twin delay a little bit. Yeah, bring down this a little bit. And I'm just gonna use my EQ to, I think it has a lot of low, so just use the EQ to take out some of the lows. Yeah, then let me see. Let me try kickstart. Yeah, so I think it's something like this, something close to, or you know, but it was a live guitar. It was played live, so just bear with me trying to play it. So I'm also gonna just try to layer it with Kontakt. All right, so with Kontakt, I'm just gonna use the electric sunburst, which is like my favorite guitar. So I'm just gonna just copy the same thing, copy it, and let me paste it over here. So yeah, so I think this sounds more better. Yeah, nice. So for this one, I'm just gonna send it and just give it a basic guitar setting. Just so let's go over to the verse where we can.
I'm here waiting the water you. Rain body made tired all time, yeah. I know you see now me. I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I know feed do for him. Why you want the book and one?
Yeah, so the next thing I'm just gonna bring in is the bass. I'm just gonna bring the bass, and they have this bass that you can get on Jetpack. So I'm just gonna drag that quickly. Let's go over to Jetpack and the 808, the bass. Yeah, this bass. So this is the bass I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna tune it, make it yep. Then let's increase the so I'm gonna create my bass.
I'm here waiting the water you. I'm here waiting the water you. I'm here waiting the water. I'm here waiting the water you. I'm here waiting the water you. Rain body me.
Yeah, seeing this is how it is.
I'm here waiting the water you. Rain body me tired all time, yeah. I'm here waiting the water you. Rain body me tired all time, yeah. I know you see now me. 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 I get the money. See now me. I get the money pass it. See now me.
Yeah, so I think this is the bass we have here.
I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I know feed do for him. Why you want the book?
So I'm just gonna use a swing of 22%. Then next I can start bringing in the drums, Afro bounce room. So let's go with that.
I'm here waiting the water you.
Yeah.
I'm here waiting the water you. Rain body made tired.
And for those that want it, on the channel rack, you can just watch it being played on channel rack.
Rain body made tired all time, yeah. I know you see now me. I get the money pass your papa. With you.
Then next I'll bring in this shaker. There's this nice shaker, so I'm just gonna drag that in.
I know you see now me. I get the money pass your papa. With you.
Then the next I'm just gonna bring in the kick. So for the kick, it's just a steady kick, a steady groovy kick. Yes, so then
I'm here waiting the water you.
Yeah, so it's just the normal steady 4-count kick.
Rain body made tired all time, yeah. I know you see now me.
Yeah, so for the kick, I'm just going to send it to my mixer and just try to sidechain it with the bass. So everything is sounding nice.
I know you see now me.
Yeah.
money pass your papa.
I'm gonna go over to my this input my soft clipper. Yeah, so then we have some nice percussions that are coming in here and there. But first, I'm just gonna add in a clav and just put it. Yeah, that just comes like that. Yeah, so but I just need it to be on a lower octave. Actually need it to be on a lower octave. So okay, let's go with this.
I know you see now me.
Yeah.
I get the money pass your papa with you. I know you see now me.
Yeah, I think this should be.
I know you see now me.
I think let's have this.
I know you see now me. I get the money pass your papa with you.
The next 8 bar here, there was an extra shaker. So I'm just gonna go over to shaker series. Okay, so I'm just gonna let's. Let me add some drum fills. Go with this, even though it's not.
You better drop your body and go sucker.
Yeah, so
you better drop your body and go sucker.
So I don't need this. I don't need the any
you better
part.
Drop your body and go sucker.
So for this part, I'm just gonna go over to colors, spark, and pick a crash.
You better drop your body and go sucker.
Yeah, but I want the crash to have like a delay, so I'm gonna send it to my mixer and put in the fruited delay, and just go to the timing and set it to 4. So you hear what I'm saying now? Yeah, so I want it to be like that. So something like this. Something like this. Yeah, but I'm just gonna turn the feedback down. I just need it once. Yeah, all right, so I have this. You have it also here. Then there's a hit. All those stuffs give the song, vibe all through. So let's go back to the P2J back. And percussions, I think this is the hit. Yes, this. Let me take it an octave higher.
I'm here with the water. I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I know feed do for you. Why you want the book and one? Share you big kiss than Jenny. You better do me. You get the sick move with your no go. Come make a drive your come make a drive.
Okay, so but I think I need it to be on.
I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I know feed do for you. Why you want the book and one? Share you be kissed and then
soft strings. So you know, this string was at the ending part of the song, but let me just put it at the beginning. So let me just send this over to my mixer, and I'm just gonna give it this effect so it feels everywhere, you know. Yeah, so I can bring this. Let's see this.
I'm here waiting the water you. When body made that all time, yeah. I know you seen me. I get the money pass your papa. With you one way I don't feel do for you. Why you want the book and one? Share you be kissed and Jenny. You better drop your body and go suck up. Stop free with this body. Make we run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me. You get the sick move where you know go. Come make a drive your move. Come make a drive this your drive. Come here, waiting the water. Come here, waiting the water. Come here, waiting the water. Green body make that all come, yeah. Come here, waiting the water. Green body make that all.
Yep, so guys, you can see how very easy it is to make a guitar inspired Afro beat. So if you want to get the FLP for this, tutorial, you could get it, link in the description of this video, but you have to be a member of the Patreon, and you just pay $10 a month, and you have access to, tons of FLP for tutorials, some nice one-shots. The pop plate reverb is also going to be there, so lots of goodies on the Patreon for members. So thank you guys for watching. If you have a comment, let me know in the comment section. If you have something nice or you have a suggestion, just let me know. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.